Hi guys, we're going to be making spooky parfaits. I'm using 25 whole chocolate sandwich cookies and I've removed the icing from all of them. I stuck them in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to go over it with a rolling pin and crush them, or you could put them in a food processor. I have 5 tablespoons of salted butter that I've melted, and I'm going to slowly stir this into the crumb mixture. So I divided the cookie mixture in 8 individual little plastic disposable cups, and I pressed them down slightly. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set this to the side and make the next layer. Next, I'm going to make the cream cheese filling, and I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up till it's nice and smooth on medium speed. I'm going to slowly mix in half a cup of powdered sugar, mixing well after each time. This is 1/4 cup of milk, it's whole milk, and this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this in on medium speed till it's all combined. I've added an 8-ounce container of dairy topping that's been thawed, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold this into the cream cheese mixture. I've topped each one off evenly with the cream cheese mixture, and now I'm going to put blackberry pie filling, and I'm just using Comstock. This is a 21-ounce can. You could also use cherry or strawberry, whatever you want. I just thought blackberry would look good on this. So I topped each parfait off with a marshmallow and some black gel icing on them as a ghost. And I hope you guys like my spooky parfaits, and please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.